Dallas Tower, November 24787 on the visual for 19 left.
Number 24787 Dallas Tower, runway 19 left, clear to land, wind 210 at 10. Keep the speed up as long as feasible.
We'll do it as fast as we can. 787 clear to land 19 left.
Air Shuttle 6011, Kilo northbound, where do you park today?
Kilo northbound, and we're in Zulu 6.
Air Shuttle 6011, taxi via Kilo, hold short attack to a Alpha at Alpha contact the ramp.
Our Kilo short to Alpha, and then Alpha to the ramp. Shuttle 60. Okay, thanks.
Hey Tower, Rock Band 277, with you, 19 left.
Rock Band 277 Dallas Tower, runway 19 left, clear to land, wind 200 at 9er.
19 left, Rock Band 77. Hey Tower, Rock Band 277. Do we have an aircraft ahead of us, sir, for 19 left?
Rock Band 277, I apologize. I thought approach told you that. You're following Cessna 172 traffic on a 1.5 mile final.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Rock Band 277. Watch.
Dallas Tower, Jetlink 74, ILS 19 left.
Jetlink 74 Dallas Tower, runway 19 left, your number 3, following Falcon traffic, 3 miles ahead, wind 160 at 9, or runway 19 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 19 left, number 3, Jetlink 74, traffic to sea.
Dallas Tower, good afternoon, United 107 Heavy with you, constant Jetlink for runway 19 left.
United 107 Heavy Dallas Tower, runway 19 left, clear to land, wind 160 at 8, 3.5 miles on trail to Learjet, clear to land.
Roger that, clear to land, copy traffic, United 107 Heavy.
That's the 24787, turn right tax to a Kilo 60 without delay, and SIDS frequency after the exit. Clear the whole bars, and do as may.
Kilo 3 and here right now.
Thank you. Cessna 787 to right on taxiway Kilo northbound. Nice job, and where are you parking today? Cessna 787, taxi Kilo to the ramp and monitor ground on 121.9 are on the way up. Kilo 4 or 5. Well, let's make it the forward here, in fact. Traffic is a mile final. Join taxiway Kilo northbound and where you parked today. Rock Band 277, taxi Kilo to the ramp and monitor ground on 1.9 or on the way up. Have a good day.
Hey, Roger, 149er, monitor to the ramp, Rock Band 277.
Jetlink 74, taxi Kilo to the ramp and monitor ground on 121.9 or on the way up. Have a good day.
21.9.
Tower, good afternoon, Air Shell 6364, visual 19er left.
Air Shell 6364, Dulles Tower, runway 19er left, clear to land 190 at 10.
Clear to land 19er left, Air Shuttle 6364.
Afternoon, Dulles Tower, Shuttle 6079 with you on the visual 19 left.
Air Shuttle 6079, Dulles Tower, runway 19er left, clear to land 180 at 9er.
Clear to land 19 left, sir, 6079.
United 107 Heavy, turn right Kilo 7, join Kilo northbound. Where do you park today?
We're doing Charlie 5, so Kilo 7, Kilo North, United 107.
United 107 will be Kilo short of taxiway Delta, and a Delta contacts the ramp. Have a good one.
Yeah, United 107, thanks for your help.
Tower 2568, final 19 left.
Delta 2568, Dulles Tower, runway 19er left, clear to land 170 at 7.
19 left, clear to land, 2568.